Hello everyone, my name is Pawan Kumar and I am from Delhi. I am currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering from JP Institute of Information Technology in Noida. Coming to my experiences, I have worked for some startup companies and have been a technical coordinator and a tech lead at Google Developer Student Club JIT Noida. Apart from this, I have done projects based on web development using tech stacks like React, Angular, MongoDB, etc. Along with this, I have done certifications in Android app development, Flutter app development, web development training, etc. Talking about Persist, Persist is a leading cloud-based restaurant management technology provider serving more than 8,000 customers from different countries globally. It is the first company to provide a complete online POS solution for restaurants. I have applied for the position of main stack developer in which I will be involved on developing new features, enhancing existing features by improving user experience, by developing new functionalities, modules, etc. You can hire me because I am confident that my ideas will help in developing the project and will meet your expectations. Thank you. The better way to iterate through object is to convert the object into array, then loop through the array. In JavaScript, we can convert the object into array using three methods: object.keys, object.values, object.entries. Then we can loop through it as a normal array. HTTP response status code indicates whether a specific HTTP request has been successfully completed or not. Status 200 stands for OK. It occurs when the request has been succeeded. Status 500 stands for internal server error. It occurs when the server encountered an unexpected condition that prevented from fulfilling the request. Status code 400 stands for bad request. It occurs when the server could not understand the request due to the incorrect syntax. Two-way data binding refers to sharing of data between component class and its template. It means that when we change the data at one place, it automatically gets reflected to the another end. Map produces an array with new different entries based on its element in the original array, whereas filter returns the subset of the elements from the original array.